Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Today we're going to talk about, hey man, is this it? Is Bitcoin going to 2,900? We're going to look at over some charts, and we're going to answer some questions. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button because over here, guys, we don't like to lose. We only like to make money and the market, okay, in the market. And we look at the charts and we make high quality trades, okay? So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. I don't care about, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. I want to make money now. So if you are into that, hit that subscribe button. And during this live stream, of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. And so let's get this party started, actually. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Shout out to everybody that's here. All right, so let's get this party started. Let's pop out this chat. And we go from there. All right, we go from there. We pop out this chat, we go from there. Shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. If you're watching that replay, you can hit the settings, hit that 1.5 with 2. And, basically speed up the video, okay? And actually, let me see who's here so far. Dom, Laurenas, who else? Davina, Lance. Thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by. Andrew, Dan. All right, so let's get this party started. Let me see BTC right now. BTC dominance is at 52.6. Market cap is at 120 billion. All right. We have red pretty much across the board, single digits, so nothing really crazy. But let's get to the chart, guys. Let's get to the chart. So we talked about this yesterday, guys. We talked about this yesterday. Okay. And for anybody that doesn't think technical analysis doesn't work, just shut off your computer and just watch a TV. Okay. We talked about this yesterday. This resistance area right here. Okay. We talked about this right here. I said that Bitcoin is going to have problems around this area. It is a resistance area where I see Bitcoin having problems or having a hard time going over it. Okay, and I said that the next resistance would be right here. Okay, at the breakout, but we didn't get to that. Okay, right now the sellers is in control, and the sellers want to probably continue to stop people out. It's just what it is. It's how things work. The major trend is still to the downside, so you have to expect every move up will get wiped out. Okay, we've been going through this for I don't know how long now, going on a year and 1 month. Okay, we've been seeing these patterns all over the place. I mean, some of you guys really have to understand this is how the bear market works. You see a pump, and then you see the market stall out and drop right back down. We've been, definitely seeing this for a year now. So don't expect to see anything different. Okay, these big pumps are not buys. It's just the market, the whales trying to gas you up, trying to trick you to make you feel happy. Okay, but at the end of the day, they are looking to go down and stop you out because they know, okay, they know that most people want to buy the dip. Okay, so good luck with that. If anybody's buying a dip, good luck with that, bro. I mean, honestly, you're wasting your money. So we had this fake head and shoulders right here, guys. We had a fake head and shoulders. Everybody have been talking about this head and shoulders right here, this fake inverse head and shoulders. And it's like I said before, it's too obvious. Anything that's too obvious in a bear market, it's like a 98% chance it's not gonna work. And we do have we found support right here, and we are making lower lows. So this definitely doesn't look like a bull, anything bullish at all. We actually making lower lows right here on the top two, so that's telling us that's bearish. Nothing in this picture, nothing on this chart is telling me, bro, the bulls want to step in. Okay. That's why you have to always understand that we can continue to go down. It's just what it is. Guys, if you have any questions, type it in. Shout out to everybody that's here. A lot of people were screaming 5K, 5K, 5K. And, I told you guys, all throughout this whole bull, all throughout this whole up move, I hate to use the word bull. Okay, all throughout this whole up move right here, I've been saying to you guys, I believe that these guys, the Wells, whoever control the market, they want to keep price as low as possible. Okay. And I couldn't really see the market going up to 5K. Anything is possible. Yes, anything is possible. But just, the way I think, I always try to think like a well. Okay. Because if we bring it up this high and we come right back down, it's going to be too obvious. If you keep it this low, you're going to have a lot of people guessing, unprepared, getting stopped out, blah, blah, blah. So I still, like I said, I'm still sticking with that. I still believe that these guys want to keep this as low as possible. Okay. The only thing I can say is they can do a fake breakout. Okay. To the upside like this, just to fool people. But the way things are looking right now is just so weak. Okay, so I have to expect continuation to the downside, and that's it. There's really nothing to it. All right, it's the same old story every single month. Down, down, down. Nothing is looking right. Nothing is looking bullish. And people get mad at me because they think that I'm negative, but I think overall people are starting to see the picture. Okay, before I used to get a lot of trolls. I mean, I still do, but a lot of people come on my live stream and say, "Hey man, why are you talking negative?" I don't really get that too much now, because now they start to see, bro, this is not a game. The bear market is not a game, and they start to see it actually. I'm guessing some of these guys are seeing that. Me personally, I wasn't talking negative. I was actually trying to warn you guys. Either get out your position, or you can actually make money during the downturn. So shout out to everybody that's realizing that it is what it is. If it was up to me, I would make this market moon today. Okay. I don't want to see you guys lose money. But at the end of the day, I have to, report to you guys what I see on the chart. And if you don't like that, then that's your problem. You have a you problem. All right. You could fix it. You could fix it today if you wanted to. Okay. There's a lot of money to be made right now. And you just have to understand that. So right now, we can actually continue to go down and you know, go to these lows right here, which is the 3,200. And then if we break those lows, there's a possibility we can break that low of the low of the year. Okay, but like I said, anywhere, you know, anytime we get to like 3,200 around this area, most likely it's going to be some temporary support. Keyword temporary. Okay, keyword temporary. And then what's probably going to happen is we might find support. Okay, so something like this, we go here and, you know, go right back up. And what's going to happen is a lot of moon boys and YouTubers is going to say, hey, double bottom, guys, get ready for this, for the bull run, guys. And also what makes it worse is a lot of times when we do have the market going up, you know, the whales know that. Okay, the whales know the market is going to go up. So what they have, what the whales do is they will have a whole bunch of news stories line up. Okay, good news stories. Okay, a whole bunch of good news stories lined up. You know, and they will basically release these news stories to hype things up even more, get people, you know, hopes up, and then boom, right back to, you know, square one. The market continue to crash. So you guys really have to understand the game that these guys are playing. If you don't, then you're just gonna be the you know, it's gonna be another average Joe. It's just what it is. I mean, it's up to you. You know, I mean, I can't really save you. You have to save yourself. All I can do is give you guys signs and information. That's about it. Other than that, guys, it's up to you at the end of the day. But I mean, if you really want to survive in a bear market, you have to start thinking like a whale. Okay, you have to start thinking like a whale. Just what it is. So let's go to these questions. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, because I know some of you guys are tired of losing. It's tired of seeing your portfolio down 90%, 80%. If you're tired of that, if you don't know which way the market is going to go, one day is up, one day is down. If you're tired of that, hit that subscribe button, because over here, guys, we specialize in making money now. Okay, I've been doing this for 11 years. So I specialize in making money now. I don't care about 5 years. I don't care about 10 years. Okay, I don't care about that stuff, because I don't know what's going to happen 5, 10 years. Okay. All I know is I need to increase my cash flow, have money coming in, so, you know, I can live the lifestyle. And some of you guys have to understand that if you really want to get to that next level, you have to increase your cash flow. Right? Hit that subscribe button right now. So let's go to these questions, and then we take it from there. Yes, Dom, we are live. We are live. BJ was going on. Sean was going on. Ahmed. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, okay, if you have any questions, type it in right now. I will definitely try to get to your questions. Yeah, I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good, bro. Can't complain, right? Can you explain buy the dips better? Mike, can you explain buy the dips better? Mike, I'm guessing that you're saying buy the dips. Over here, we don't buy the dips at all, okay? So if that's what you're talking about, then no, I don't do that. That's very, very unprofessional. Okay, that's very unprofessional to buy the dip in the bear market. Actually, not only in the bear market, especially a bear market that just started. Okay, that's very, very dangerous to do and very unprofessional. So I don't buy any dips. Okay. Actually, let's look at these other charts, and we're gonna get to you guys' questions. Let's look at Ethereum real quick. So we talked about Ethereum yesterday. So let me erase this drawing. Okay, so we see that the rejection is right here. Same thing like Bitcoin. I mean, this is like almost, screaming to the downside. Of course, we might see some up moves here and there before it goes down, but yes, right now everything's looking bearish. All right. Now Litecoin, same situation. TRX, I didn't even look at that yet lately. Oh, I actually did yesterday. TRX, yeah, so TRX, same situation. What else? Ethereum Classic, what's going on with that? What's going on with Bitcoin Cash too? Ethereum Classic looks real weak because it's actually very, very close to the lows. I mean, compared to everybody else, very, very close to the lows. What about BCH? Right? That looks so weak, guys. Goodness gracious. I mean, I mean, let's go to the 4-hour real quick. I mean, this is nuts. This is just screaming, I'm going down. I mean, we dropped from here. We consolidated, guys, okay? And this is basically textbook. I mean, guys, listen, if you don't know how to make money, okay? If you don't know how to make money, okay, during this bull market, guys, I mean bear market, shame on you. Shame on you. This is textbook right here. You see how textbook this is? I'm talking about easy money. Shame on you if you don't know how to make money in this bear market. Look how easy this was right here. It dropped, okay? It only pulled back, okay? As soon as it pulled back, we dropped. Okay, if you look at this, we tried to make a higher high. We couldn't. Look at this, all right? Bitcoin Cash, we went up. We pulled back. We tried to make a higher high. We couldn't. We dropped. We consolidated. Nice little triangle. Boom. Money in the bank. Shame on you if you don't know how to make money during this bear market. It's because you're lazy. It's just what it is. Now, if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. It's just what it is. Hit that subscribe button because that's what I specialize in, making money now. I don't care about 2020, 2020, 2021, 2025. I mean, come on, guys. Are you kidding me? So you basically telling me you want to wait years to get money? What about now? What about the bills you have now? What about the bills that's coming in the mail every single day? What about those bills? And you talking about waiting for five years? Are you kidding me? So that's what we're looking at right now. Let's look at XRP. XRP, last time I looked at it, guys, it was weak. So yes, it's looking weak. Just what it is. So we're gonna get to you guys' questions. Type it in right now. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. Shout out to all my subscribers. I love you guys. Shout out to everybody that been following me for the longest. Shout out to everybody that's making money, saving money, whatever the case is. Shout out to all you guys. Dan said, I got your course 4 months ago. I've been studying maybe about 30 times. Shout out to you, bro. If you're studying 30 times, man, that means you're dedicated, man. You said BitMEX test for 3 months. Today I deposit BTC in a real BitMEX account. Wish me luck. Yeah, man. Shout out to you. Get this bread, man. Get this money. Because it's money out here, bro. It's money out here. It's money out here. So definitely get that money. But shout out to you. I can see that you are dedicated because you've been studying. So what's going on, J.A.? What's going on, Donline? Donline is my youngest. I'm guessing he's one of my youngest students. Shout out to him. Texas Bowl said, went through your courses for 8 times Sunday and Monday. Went live today. Lost $499 on my first trade. Lost $105 on my second trade. Then I made $2,167 on my third trade. Thank you, Ben. Thank you. No, thank you, bro. Shout out to you for studying, okay? Studying your butt off and basically taking action and realizing that there's money out here to be made. Like, guys, you know, some of you guys really have to wake up, okay? And I'm glad that you said that you took losses because most of you guys are scared of taking losses, okay? Number one, when it comes to taking losses, you can control it. So if you want to lose $20, you can lose $20. If you want to lose 50, you can lose that. If you want to lose 100, you can lose it. So don't ever be scared of losing. Actually, I actually made a video today. Go check it out. It's me explaining, you know, me making $1,900, okay, in 90 minutes, right? Go look at that video. Making $1,900 in 90 minutes today. Day trading the S&P 500. And in that video, I was down, what, $750? Okay, I was down $750. Some of you guys really have to realize, bro, it's okay. If you take a loss, it's okay because that next trade, bro, whew, could put some money in your pocket, bro. Shout out to you, Texas, for making that money. Let me give you that bomb if I can find it. Hold on. Give you that bomb button. Shout out to you, bro. You said I couldn't have done it without being taught, man. Shout out to you. It was going on. Who knew? Yes, we love waves. Brad said I just got on. Why? He said I just got on. Miss. Why 2,900? I didn't, you know, say anything about 2,900 yet. But I'm not saying Bitcoin is going to 2,900. I'm saying that next week might be that week that we might see 2,900. Okay, we might see 2,900 next week, and I'm not saying that it will hit it next week. That's a possibility. I mean, look how weak this is. I mean, we at 3,900. I mean, 3,500. I mean, we just need a couple of, you know, big bars to go down, and then be right there. So, you know, next week it could be a real ugly week, or they can just grind this thing back. Grind this thing down. I mean, we talked about that before. Okay, they can grind it down like this. Okay, so keep that in mind too. Alrighty here. Sean, you said Happy New Year. Yeah, Happy New Year to you, bro. Mike said no, not buy the dips. Where would you buy? You said where would I buy? Mike, if I'm buying anything right now, that means that I'm buying the dips, right? Are you talking about trading? Are you talking about buying? Because when you use that word buy, automatically I'm thinking that you want to invest in Bitcoin right now. Okay, you want to look at a good position to get in and hold Bitcoin. So if that's not, if that's not the case, explain yourself a little bit better. Let me know, because when you say buy, automatically I'm thinking you want to hold this thing. Okay, I'm not looking to buy anything right now. It's just what it is. We in the bear market. There's no reason to buy. So explain a little bit better, and maybe we could be on the right track. Lewis said, how much is for your trading course? Okay, I have 2 courses, Mike. Right now I have the crypto course. Actually, let me give you guys that discount during the live stream. Right now you see it's $300, but during the live stream I give you guys that 50% discount, right? This is the swing trading course when it comes to crypto. Okay, I made it very simple for you guys to understand. Very simple, because me personally, I'm a slow learner. So when I try to teach people, I try to make it as simple as possible, because I know some people don't get it right away. Okay, I have a lot of people make money because the stuff that I teach is very simple. So you can check that out. I'll give you the link if you want to learn how to make money now in the bear market. This is the course for you, and it will show you how to make money in the bull market too. The best of both worlds. Okay. Now, this other course I have is the day trading course. Okay, this is $950. Okay, but you do get a discount if you have this course already. So if you have the crypto course already, you will get a discount from this. Okay, with this course, I mean, and actually this course right here comes with both courses. So let's say that you don't have the crypto course and you get this course, it doesn't matter. It comes with the crypto course. Now this course will show you how to make money daily and weekly. It's just what it is, right? That's why I specialize in making money daily. Okay, that will teach you the same strategies that allows me to make 1K to 5K a day. So if you want that link, I'll give you that link too. All right, so let's go back to these other questions. I post both links here below. I'm going through these questions real quick, so give me a second. What do you think about the 5 waves? What do you think about the 5 waves, Elliott waves, and ABC? What do I think about it? It's it all depends on how you trade it. Okay, it all depends on how you trade it, and the thing about the Elliott wave is most people they don't really I think most people get confused about the waves, like which is a wave and which pullback is a wave and which pullback is not a wave. So it could get confusing. Okay, so, you have 2 traders saying that this is wave 3, and one person would say this is wave 5. So me personally, I don't use that when I trade. I'm not saying that it can't work. Me personally, I don't use it. BJ, is there a platform where we can use that we don't have to deposit Bitcoin to trade crypto? I don't know. And let me ask you why. Why you want a platform like that? But for right now, most of these platforms that give you good leverage are overseas, and most likely you will have to deal with a cryptocurrency to fund your account. You said the wick is not full, the red ones. So I'm not sure it will go up tomorrow. Anthony, let me ask you a question. Are you a full-time bull? Are you a full-time bull, Anthony? Texas said, thanks again, Ben. Can't wait to follow the trends and take profit tomorrow. Let me give you a round of applause. Shout out to you, bro, for making this money. Give you that bomb button too. Computer acting up. All right. So we got a rejection right here, guys. We got a rejection at this level right here. We talked about this level yesterday. We got a rejection at this level right here. And now sellers is coming in, and we will see if they will, basically continue to sell tomorrow. All right. For you guys that think this is bullish, have a look at this chart. I showed you guys this chart before. This is Bitcoin flipped upside down. So if you somehow can't read a downtrend, well, this is it right here, right? If you didn't know that this was Bitcoin, automatically you will look at this chart and say, man, this thing looks real bullish. Okay. So that's for everybody that can't really see what's going on. All right, so let's go to these questions. Do you see Bitcoin hitting 3,500 and below tomorrow? It's very hard to say what day Bitcoin is going to hit 3,500. It's a strong possibility we will continue tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be tomorrow. It could be, next week. All I know, I'm not buying this. Shout out to Richard. What's going on? Let me see. Let me read these questions here. Anthony said you got cash waiting. You jump in and out the market? Okay. Lewis said you're a slow learner. Lewis, just basically, my advice is to, practice, bro. Okay. You can't, you have to practice, continue to practice, write down your mistakes, focus on your mistakes, make sure you don't repeat your mistakes. Join the Discord and go from there. Let me read these questions. Lance said, "Hey Ben, you gotta manage folks' expectations. What I mean is tell them. What I mean is you tell them you're making 1K, 5K a day, but you never tell them what your principal account value is that you're trading with." First of all, Lance, okay, I don't know how long you've been following me. Okay, I don't know how long you've been following me, but you know, I do tell people what they could expect trading if you never traded before. Okay, that's number one. Number two, I always tell people just because I make 1K to 5K a day, don't expect to make that. Okay, because my account and my skill level is probably much higher than yours. All right. Number three, okay, you don't need a lot of money to make a lot of money in the futures account, in the futures market. Okay, so that's why you really have to look at my videos. I explain this over and over and over, Lance. Okay, a person with an account that is $1,000. Okay, so let me just make this a little bit better for you. Okay, you can take a 1,000 account that's worth $1,000, and you can make up to $200 a day. Okay, this is not me talking just to be talking. This is actually real life, a real life thing. I have students that's doing this. Okay, I can take an account, a $1,000 account, and double it the same week. Okay, when you dealing with futures, when you're dealing with the futures market, you're dealing with something that's called leverage. Okay, now leverage is not a bad thing because most people think leverage is a bad thing. It's not. Okay, because you can actually control your leverage. You just have to really learn how to read the charts. That's the main thing you really want to do. Learn how to read the charts. If you don't learn how to read the charts, you're not going to make it. So Lance, just continue to watch my videos. I answer those questions all the time. Shout out to John. What's going on, John? What's going on, Sander? What's going on, TPD? Shout out to you. Okay, I tell all my students, hey, bro, when you first start off, look to make $100 to $200 a day. Okay, I don't never tell anybody to, go crazy. Now I do have, students that make more than $200 a day. Okay, but I don't tell people to do that. So let's go and look at XRP real quick, guys. I want to show you guys something. All right, I want to show you guys something. All right, so XRP, guys, let's zoom out real quick. XRP is telling me that we might have a big move coming soon, okay? Because this is a big triangle, guys. This is not like a little triangle. This is a big triangle. So it's actually looking real scary for XRP. If XRP doesn't break to the upside anytime soon, it's looking real scary, because if it breaks to the downside, this big triangle means a lot of continuation, guys. Okay, a lot of continuation to the downside. So just watch out. We have a lot of room to go. Just what it is. Bitcoin itself is basically forming some type of continuation pattern again. So watch out, guys. Watch out. We see that we made a move right here. You see this big move right here. If you measure that move, guys, we go real low. If we take this move right here, okay, and measure it, okay, it's telling us that we're going right to like 600. Okay, we can easily go to 600, 636. Bye. Cut it off. Shut it off. A lot of people are going to be depressed. That's why when people come on here and tell me about 2020 is going to moon up, bro, that's just your feelings. That's just something that you heard on the internet and you want it to happen, bro. That's not reality, though. This chart is telling me, bro, that continuation is there. And I don't see no bull market in 2020. I'm not saying that to be negative. I'm not saying that to want you guys. I'm not saying that so I want you guys to lose money. I'm saying that to warn you, saying, hey, bro, my 11 years of experience is telling me continuation to the downside is here. So you have to be prepared. You can either be that guy on the sideline that's losing money, or you can be that guy that's making money all the way down. All right. This is why I specialize in making money now, because most people do not know how to make money in a recession. That's why most people lose. The poor, the rich always going to continue to get richer, and the poor is always going to stay poor. It's just what it is. How things work. You're not educated. Most of you guys are just stuck on that, cloud. Lance said, your explanation was perfect. Video for now. He said video for now. Been following you, Lance. Shout out to you, bro. Yeah, when I tell people I make 1 to 5K a day, if I say followed by that, if I say, hey, bro, if I say, hey, bro, you can make 1K to 5K, then I would say, okay, you have, a legit, whatever you want to say, a point. But if you go to my other videos, you will always hear me say, I'm at a certain level, so don't expect to be at my level right now. Okay, don't expect to make 1K to 5K right now. But it is possible. Okay, it is possible once you get to my level. Because I'm telling you this, anybody that's watching you or watching me right now, if you know how to make $100 to $200 a day, that means you know how to make 1K to 5K a day. So let me repeat that for anybody that's a little bit slow. If you know how to make $200, $1 to $200 a day, day trading, that means you know how to make 1K to 5K, because there's no difference. Like if you're making 5K a day, you're not changing anything. Everything is still the same. Okay. Only thing that changed is just you upping up your contracts. Okay. But the strategy is still the same. So if you really know how to make that money, you can easily make that, that 1K, that 5K too. So, it's just what it is. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. David said 1K to 5K. I'm subbing now. You got to tell me. You got to tell me. Shout out to you, Davis. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah, so basically you can actually watch the video I made today, and you will see me making money from the market. I actually made what, I don't know, I think it was 1900 today. Day trading the futures market. So you can check that out. You just go to my channel, and it will be the last video that I made. All right. I specialize in making money now. Okay. And the reason why I do that is because at the time, before I even knew about the stock market, anything like that, I was just trying to grind and not work for anybody. Get out that rat race. At the time, I was buying and selling cars. Things, was a little slow. Someone introduced me to the stock market. The person that I was buying a car from introduced me to the stock market. And, from there, bro, I fell in love. And from there, I did crazy research, and I was seeing how much these Wall Street guys are making, like daily. Okay? I mean, daily. Like, these guys are making so much daily. I'm like, yo, bro, why I'm not doing that? So when someone comes to me and tells me, hey, bro, I'm waiting 5, 10 years or 20 years for something, I just shake my head and it's like, yo, bro, why? There's money out here to be made right now. Like, why? All you have to do is study and practice. Mrs. Davis said, you said, Lav said, I'm subscribing. Bro, I can't take my 9 to 5. Someone, you said working for someone, another second. Yeah, man, I hear you, bro. Because I was that person too, bro. I used to work 12 hours a day. Okay. I mean, you talking about hate my job? Bro, I hated my job. I used to work 12 hours a day. So, and I remember, one of my jobs, bro, I used to wake up because I used to travel. Okay. I used to travel 2 hours and a half. Okay. Because I used to live in New York. Right? And at the time I didn't have a car. So I used to travel 2 hours and a half just to go to work. 2 hours and a half just to go to work. I know that sounds crazy, but in New York, we used to traveling an hour and a half. But 2 hours and a half is kind of crazy. Okay, just to go to work. Okay, and that job was a 12-hour job. Okay, so that means that I was waking up 3:30 in the morning, going to work, right? Coming home, I get off at 6:00 p.m., sometimes 7 o'clock, come home, and it's around 9:30, 10 o'clock. I'm tired, bro. I can't even watch TV. and I gotta wake up and do that all over again. Okay? So that simply means that I was waking up at nighttime and going home at nighttime. Waking up at nighttime, going home at nighttime. So when you say you can't take your 9 to 5, bro, trust me, I understand. I used to be, in that situation. You said crypto won't see 20,000 again. People won't even buy, and when it gets there, people already got gypped. Yeah, I didn't hear that word in a minute, gypped. I didn't hear that word in a minute. Shout out to you though. Yeah. I mean, anything's a possibility. Anything's a possibility. And for me personally, I don't care if Bitcoin doesn't go to 20K, because I can make money if it goes to 1K, 500. Doesn't matter to me. It only matters to the people that only knows how to buy or do one thing. You said, do the taxes hit your profits hard? I mean, taxes is taxes. Okay, taxes is taxes. Okay. And no, I mean, it really, I mean, I don't know if you're talking about, because I trade two markets. I trade the crypto market and the futures market. Okay, the futures market is pretty good. The Bitcoin market, the crypto market, taxes is taxes. Just what it is. John said, by far, this channel is the truth channel, not a hype channel, man. Shout out to you, John. I appreciate that. 16 hours a day, then. Yeah, I know. 16 hours a day, pretty much. I was a zombie. I was on a train, a zombie. Okay, I felt like a zombie, bro. Yeah, the NY hustle, bro. The NY hustle is no joke. The NY hustle is no joke. Get money by any means, because that rent in New York is no joke, bro. The lab said, "I swear you telling my life, bro." I'm telling your life story. Yeah, man. I know a lot of people could relate. Hit the lottery and you'll be set. You don't have to hit the lottery, because first of all, if you hit that, if you have that mindset, then that means you're a gambler. Okay, I don't want you guys to be a gambler. I want you guys to be professionals. Okay, professionals. A professional takes calculated risk. Okay, it's a difference. We don't risk money. We don't just go to the casino just because. Okay, we want to have an edge. So any game, like I don't even go to the casino, but if I did any game I can have an edge on, I would play it. Okay, I want to have that. I want to have calculated risk. If I don't have an edge, I'm not going to play that game. How do you short crypto? Basically, Kevin, shout out to you. Shout out to anybody that's new to my channel. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, because over here I specialize in making money now. I don't care about 2 years, 5 years, 10 years down the road. I don't care about that, because I can't control the future. I mean, anything can happen. Okay. I mean, shoot, anything. I mean, look who's in office. Anything can happen. But basically, how do you short the market? You have to have, what do you call that? You have to have a, what do you call that? A platform, exchange. Okay, you have to have an exchange that allows you to short. Okay. You have BitMax, you have Kraken, you have a lot of these, different exchanges that allow you to short. That's number one. Number two, when you short, okay, it's just the reverse of buying. Okay, so you fund your account. Okay, you fund your account, but you don't have to own any crypto. So if I want to short Bitcoin, I don't have to own Bitcoin. I just have to fund my account, make sure I have the funds there, and then press the sell button. Okay. Now, the thing with shorting is you have to learn how to read the charts. Okay. Learn how to read the charts. So once you see a nice setup, okay, you press that sell button, and boom, You can watch that money come in. All right. Shout out to Texas. Texas is actually one of my students. Right. Shout out to Texas. He made $2 grand today. Okay. His first 2 trades was losing trades, but his second one was he made $2,000 and 167. Okay. And he's up. Okay, he's up. Because now he knows how to short the market. I learned the term calculated rich from you, Ben. Shout out to you, Edward. Yeah, most likely winners become, they end up broke because they didn't make that money, okay? They didn't make that money. It was just like, hey, man, it's free money. So what they do is they buy Bentleys and mansions and they give the money away. And this next thing you know, they broke because there's a lot of bills coming in and they don't have the money to support that. Hey, Ben, do you expect one more pump and dump? That's a great question. Okay, that's a great question. Do I expect the market to do another pump and dump before we go down? That's a possibility. Okay, it's a possibility. But right now things are looking weak. So, right now I don't expect a pump right now. I just expect continuation. But yeah, another pump and dump. I mean, another pump could be, could be in play. But right now things are looking weak, so we might just go straight down without a pump. All right. What Win said, I love when he says one day is going up, now is going down. First of all, I never say it's going up. Okay, you are a guy that probably don't even look at my videos. Okay. Show me one video where I said we are going up to the moon. Okay? Let me go to these other questions here. You said good looks. I have Binance. I don't think I could short there. Yeah, you can't short there. And anybody that's new to my channel, Ben, put a long-term log line on the daily chart from 216. I'm trying to figure out what you mean by that. I mean, you want me to what line you want me to put on the chart? If crypto was supposed to be taking our banks, how would we get loans to buy houses and cars and open business? Yeah, I know. Short on Binance? Nah, I don't think you can short on Binance. I don't think that's available on Binance. All right. Anybody that's new to my channel, if you don't have this course by now, check it out. This is the best course on, in the crypto space, because it shows you how to make money in the bear market and the bull market. Okay, the best of both worlds. You can go read the testimonials. It will show you how to enter, how to exit. Okay, read the testimonials. If you have any questions, let me know. But right now, that price that you see is only for that live stream. When I get off live stream, it goes back to $300. Right now, it's 50% off. So shout out to you guys that have this course already. If you don't have this course, it comes with a Discord room. So check that out. So let me go back to these questions real quick so I can wrap this live stream up. And once again, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button if you are confused, if you don't understand what's going on, if, you know, one day the market is going up, one day the market is going down, you know, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, Binance, yeah, I don't think you can short on that one. You said, Ben, check out the 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute looks you know, it looks weak. Look how we going up. It looks horrible. That looks so weak. Do you ever use dominant charts instead of fiat crypto pairings? Cheers. What's going on, Steven? Well, you know, I use, you know, the BTC to USD. Do I use other charts? Not really, but you could if you want to trade. If you want to trade those, you can use those other charts. Do you provide a fund management service? No, I don't. So basically, what you said, you know, you want me to trade your money? That's what you want me to do? Trade your money so you can be rich and you can sit back. Sit back and do nothing. Nah, I don't, you know, I don't have nothing like that. I'm going through these questions real quick. See if I miss anything. But if not, guys, thanks a lot. Appreciate all you guys tuning in. Appreciate all my new subscribers. Appreciate all you guys. I'm glad you guys decided to subscribe to the channel. Philip said BTC to 10K by the end of this year. Why do you think Bitcoin will go to 10K? Explain yourself. You just can't say Bitcoin to 10K by the end of this year. You have to explain yourself. You know, because from what I'm looking at right now, Bitcoin 10K is not even in the discussion. Okay. More like 1K is in the discussion. But anyway, guys, like I said, thanks again. So you think so Philip, you think BAC is going to save crypto? So you think so let me ask you a question. You think it's that easy? You think when BAC comes in, we're just going to shoot up to 10K? You think it's that easy? You really think it's that easy? Okay, you really think that we're just going to go, hey, BAC is here, and everybody makes money? It doesn't work like that, bro. No news. Okay, before I go, let me explain to you guys. No news. There's no news story out here that's going to reverse this market. Okay? News stories do not reverse the market. So if we have good news, guys, Let me say that before I get out of here. If we have good news, that means that we are not at the bottom. Okay? They can't make it too obvious for you guys. It has to be everybody getting wiped out, everybody crying, everybody tapping out, everybody saying, why me? I can't help this. I'm tired of this market. That's when you can say, man, we might be close. But just by that statement alone tells me, bro, we not even close to the bottom. Philip said, I do hope so. Key word in your sentence, Philip. Hope. Okay? Philip, bro, I want you to, if you are a loyal subscriber to my channel, Philip, I really want you to take that word out of your vocabulary. Okay? I don't want you to use hope anymore. Okay? Hope is a poor mentality. Okay? The rich guys do not use the word hope. They don't use it. They don't care about it. It doesn't exist. So you have to learn how to read the markets, learn how it works, and go from there. Yes, blood in the streets. Okay, blood in the streets. You are absolutely correct. New Money said, I'm not going to lie. I believed in the crap last year. I'm glad I'm changing my mind as long as the market shows this trend. Shout out to you, bro. I mean, at least you see, you can actually see the market and realize it, bro, and realize, all the games that these guys are playing. Okay, so shout out to you for waking up. Let me give you a round of applause for waking up. That's all it is, guys. It's just, lie on top of another lie. Okay, every week we get some good news and the market drops. That's a lie. Okay, saying the ETFs is coming out, but every month a delay. That's another lie. Saying back is coming out in December. Lie. Oh, January. Lie. So it's up to you if you want to believe these lies. Okay? A guy like me, I don't care about the lies. I don't care about the manipulation. Okay? Guys, we can actually make money regardless of all that stuff. Okay? Imagine having that power, guys. Imagine having that power where you don't rely on back, the ETFs, none of that stuff. You think I'm waiting for back? No. Bro, I'm making money regardless, okay? Regardless if back comes in or not. That's the type of power I want you guys to have. What would you, I'm trying to read this correct. What would be your suggestion if you're holding a full Bitcoin? Bought it at 7,000. Sheesh. So you bought it at 7,000. Okay. Honestly, I can't give anyone financial advice. Okay. Only thing I can tell you what I would do. I would take my loss. Okay. A couple of things I can do. Okay. Or a couple of things, I would do. Okay. It all depends on the situation. Okay. If I have money on the side, let's say I had money on the side, okay, and I really don't care about the money that I invest in, whatever, then I can say, I bet, whatever, I'll take a loss. Now, let's say I don't have any money on the side. Okay. Bro, I'm selling it. And I'm going to, a couple things I would do. Okay. I will learn how the market works, right? And learn how to read the market properly. And I will just, yeah, that would be one thing I would do. Or I would just take my money out and just wait for a bull market. Okay. And that's it. Because your money could be tied down for a long time. Me personally, bro, I don't invest in the bear market at all. I do not invest in bear markets. A lot of this stupid saying, a lot of these stupid quotes, people quoting Warren Buffett talking about buy when you see blood in the streets. Yes, you do that when the market is bullish, okay? When you see blood in the streets and the market is bullish, yes, you buy that, bro. You don't buy it when the market is bearish and this thing looks like it's going to go down even more. And the problem is, the problem with the crypto market is, okay, even when we do hit that bottom, bro, this flat line could be the craziest flat line you ever saw, okay? It's not even the bottom. It's the flat line, because when we fall down like this, okay, it's just not going to reverse like that. It's going to flatline for a minute, okay? And the flat line is probably the worst thing ever, because it's not going to go nowhere. It's just going to be going sideways for the longest, okay? And that flat line can actually last for years, okay? Years. So it is what it is. Let's see if I see any more thing before I get out of here. They are selling hope. Yeah, man. All these news stories selling hope. You got these XRP YouTubers. They love selling hope. They will tell you good news every single day, bro, and say, hey, bro, you see this good news we having? And XRP is going right back down every single day. Okay. Does a rising wedge look semi-bullish for a very short term? I mean, yeah, any wedge could be bullish short term, but that's it, okay? It'd be short term. So it could be a quick pop to the upside, and then, that's it. Just to go right back down. New Money said, buy the dips equals take L's. You have a short on right now? Should I cover short higher? What do you think? No financial advice. If I give you advice, that means it's financial, bro. All I would say is, if you're shorting, just make sure you have your proper stop loss in place. And take it from there. Evans said, no choice but to hold. You sell, you lose. See, Evans, okay, Evans. Over here, bro, we don't talk like that, okay? We don't talk like that. Because that's the world that you live in, okay? The world that I live in, bro, if I see that I'm wrong, I'm out. It's just what it is. I have no pride. I don't care about my ego. If I feel that I made a wrong investment, I am out. Okay? That's the difference between me and these other YouTubers. Okay? When you have quotes like HODL to zero, those are guys that are unprofessional and poor. They have poor mentalities. Okay, you do not HODL to zero. That's the worst thing ever. All right. So we don't do that over here. I don't teach people to HODL to zero. What I teach is, hey, bro, I understand that you lost money. Fine, you lost money. I understand that. Okay. What I say is, the world is not, it's not over. You're still breathing. So tomorrow's another day. Learn how to read the markets, and you can make money by taking advantage of these swings in the market. Okay. I'm going over these questions real quick. John said, Ben can't say it, but I can. Cut your losses, invest in his course, study, learn, and that's how you will recoup your losses. And well beyond that. Shout out to you. Oh boy. Don't let me kick anybody out. You said you an ex moon boy. Man, shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you. And anybody that's new to my channel, don't think that I'm against anybody that want the market to turn bullish. I'm not. Okay, I'm not against anybody that wants to turn the market bullish. Okay, I'm not a permanent bear. Okay, but I am a realist. Okay, I am a realist, and I am a professional that knows how to make money from these markets. Okay, I do this full time. That's the difference between me and these other YouTubers. These YouTubers would tell you news. They would tell you about back. Bro, all that stuff is not putting money in your pocket, okay? All right? All that stuff is not putting money in your pocket. So I don't care about the news. Don't tell me about the news, right? If you love a certain coin, I have no problems with you. But, over here, what I tried to tell you guys is, hey, bro, fine. You love your coin. You love everything about that. Everything about the coin. Fine. Okay. What I will tell you is, hey, bro, there's other ways to make money. Right? If you want to hodl, hey, whatever. But there's other ways to make money. Okay. Because if you only hodling, okay, you are going to be depressed. You are going to lose money, and it's just what it is. So to offset that, you have to learn other strategies that allows you to make money now. NOW, now. Okay, it's just what it is. Let me get out of here. But thanks a lot for everybody for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. If you don't know how to make money now in this market, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of hearing good news and the market is continue to go down, hit that subscribe button. Okay. But let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. If I can find this button, let me give you guys a round of applause. Hold on, guys. So don't let the market trick you, guys. Don't let the market, okay, trick you. Okay, Don't get hit with the scorpion, please. Don't get hit with the don't get hit with the scorpion, okay?
Finish him.
Learn how to read the charts. Learn how to improve. Learn how to take things to the next level, okay? Talk to you guys later. Make sure you guys have a great night. A great night. And make sure you improve, guys, and continue to study. Talk to you guys later and have a good night.